Hey, my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. I have a Margaret Miller time. It is week 26. So let's see. For week 26, we have a leftover art project, and I have this. Music, a rubber stamp, got rubber stamp, a retro household plant, a mushroom or toadstool, and bells or bells is the bonus. I'm going to put all this down. We're going to cover this whole. All that put down in. Okay, then we have a retro kitchen appliance. I have this old sewing machine. I mean, a retro household appliance. So back in the day, it was the sewing machine. And then we need some toadstools. This comes from some Happy Mail from Miss Carrie. And then I've got my books. just because I like it butterfly. Okay, I definitely like my Nana's wig better than I do the matte medium. I'm just saying, it sticks faster and I can do more with it. But I guess that's because it's glue and matte medium is not really a glue. I mean, one time to glue that down. I tried. I haven't seen everybody using that medium for glue and rave about it. So I'm gonna see. I'm just gonna try. All right. Now we got everything done. The book up and the mushrooms. It came on this book. The other sticker book you bought me. And I also got the string. There we go. And then I have a hot print. Right. And I pile plants because some have been choking around in mushrooms. We just don't know what. Bad for it ain't no telling. Okay. Now I did not use my bonus for my bells because I couldn't find the little bell flowers. I was going to put some little bell flowers in with the mushroom. But that is a bell mushroom, so maybe the bell top mushroom to do for our bells. All right, now that is it. We have a leftover scrap art, music sheet, rubber stamping, that's a little paw print, a retro household product, mushrooms or toadstools, and then we did not do our bonus, no some mushroom and toadstools. Okay, that is our week 26 for our Margaret Miller challenge. And I did like Darla and did not leave any place for this. Let me see if I can stick it up. I stuck it right there. Okay. All right. Thank you. Y'all have a good one. Bye.